NCTV45, The Train, anytime on your time. Bill's Bake Shop will make you happy. Owner Bill Cast and his staff keep the tradition going with all those bakery items you remember as a kid. Just to name a few, Bill makes cream sticks, cinnamon rolls, bear claws, cream horns, cannoli, cakes, pies, cookies, bread, pizza, and more. You can also buy homemade Cavatelli ravioli. Bill's Bake Shop, located 228 North Liberty Street in the Mahoningtown section of Newcastle, is open Tuesday through Saturday, 7 to 5, and Sunday, 7 to 2, closed Monday. Bill's, where smiles are everywhere. Call 724-654-4223.
Town and country where there's always a party. Yes, every weekend there's something to do. And there's always great food for you too. Lamb, finger food, steak sandwiches, roasted wings, and much, much more. It's a party and you're invited. Come to Town and Country. You know, NewsWatch keeping you informed, and NCTV45 was there at the city council meeting when they talked about this. NCTV45 was there when we told you about the 10,000 friends. And now NCTV45 is proud to announce that the Wolf administration celebrates Neighborhood Revitalization Project in Newcastle. Yes, praises of public-private sector and collaboration that the Pennsylvania Department of Community and Economic Development Secretary Dennis Devon joined local leaders and community professionals in Newcastle, Lawrence County to celebrate the approval of the Community Revitalization Project on the South Side. The project was funded by the DCED's Neighborhood Partnership Program that will leverage private contributions and local businesses. Revitalization of our communities is so important, not just because it improves the quality of life, but because businesses want to come to areas that are strong and vibrant, Devon said. The project demonstrates what can happen when the public and private sector work together for the common good of Newcastle, and it will bring countless benefits to the community. The approval of the project is a 6-year plan on the South Side neighborhood, roughly bordered by East Division and Lindell Street to the south, 108 to the west, and Cunningham Avenue. The goals for the first year include blight removal and demolishing the bad buildings, enhancement of the Gussie Walker Community Outreach Center, business promotion, homeowner habitat and abatement programs, land reuse, former of the Jameson Hospital, which was St. Francis, completion of the Earl A. Muff Sally Field project, and creation of a fresh food farmers market and community gardens. Sounds like a great idea, and that's coming right up. NCTV45, anytime on your time and keeping you informed. Now we're going to hear from these great sponsors who help keep community television on the air. What's inside? Come on in and take a look at the menu. There's many barbecue delights, ribs, chicken, and much more. Salads of every kind, sides that'll tempt your appetite. And we have eat in or take out at Big J's Hurricane Grill. Maureen and Big J say everybody is welcome.